What if everything you've been told about weight loss is completely backwards? What if skipping the gym, ignoring the scale, and tossing out your meal plan was actually the smartest thing you could do? I know that sounds crazy, but 2 months ago, I was exhausted, bloated, and stuck at the same weight no matter what I tried. Then I stopped obsessing over calories and started focusing on something nobody was talking about: my liver. And in just 2 weeks, I dropped 15 pounds without a single diet or training session. Stick with me, because what I'm about to share could completely change the way you think about your body. Welcome back to BioWell Hub, where we dig into the real science behind how your body works so you can stop fighting it and start working with it. I'm so glad you're here today, because this video is one I've been wanting to make for a long time. We're going to talk about your liver, not in a boring textbook kind of way, but in a way that will make you realize just how much this one organ is quietly running the show when it comes to your weight, your energy, and the way you feel every single day. Most people think weight loss is a math problem. Eat less, move more, and the pounds will fall off. And sure, on paper, that makes sense. But if you've ever eaten perfectly, worked out consistently, and still couldn't shift the number on the scale, you already know the math doesn't always add up. Here's what nobody's telling you. Your liver might be the missing piece. Your liver is the second largest organ in your body, and it does over 500 jobs every single day. It filters your blood, produces bile to break down fat, regulates blood sugar, stores energy, detoxifies hormones and chemicals, and manages your cholesterol levels. When your liver is healthy and running smoothly, your metabolism hums like a well-oiled machine. But when your liver is sluggish, overloaded, or inflamed, everything slows down. Fat storage goes up, energy crashes, digestion suffers, and no matter how hard you try to diet or train, your body just won't cooperate. So, what happened to my liver? Honestly, years of poor choices caught up with me. Processed foods, too much alcohol, chronic stress, and a lack of sleep had quietly done a number on this vital organ. I wasn't diagnosed with liver disease or anything dramatic, but I was showing all the classic signs of a sluggish liver: stubborn belly fat that wouldn't budge, constant fatigue, brain fog, bloating after meals, and waking up feeling unrested no matter how much sleep I got. A functional medicine practitioner pointed me in this direction after I described my symptoms. She explained that when the liver is overwhelmed, it can't efficiently metabolize fat. Instead of burning stored fat for fuel, your body holds onto it, especially around the abdomen. That's why so many people have that stubborn belly that refuses to shrink even with diet and exercise. The liver is the bottleneck. So I made one decision. I was going to spend 2 weeks doing everything I could to support my liver, and nothing else. No calorie counting, no boot camps, just targeted, evidence-based steps to give my liver what it needed to do its job. The first thing I did was dramatically reduce my intake of processed foods, refined sugars, and alcohol. These are the three biggest burdens on the liver. When you're constantly flooding your body with fructose from processed foods and sugars, your liver gets overworked trying to convert it all. A lot of it ends up stored as fat, specifically visceral fat, the dangerous kind around your organs. Cutting this out wasn't a diet, it was removing the load. Next, I focused on foods that actively support liver function. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower contain compounds called glucosinolates that help the liver detoxify more efficiently. Garlic is rich in sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes. Beets contain betaine, which helps protect liver cells from damage. Leafy greens like spinach and arugula help neutralize heavy metals and chemicals. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has been shown to reduce liver inflammation and support bile production. I wasn't dieting. I was fueling a specific biological process. I also started drinking warm lemon water every morning on an empty stomach. This simple habit stimulates bile production, which helps your liver flush out waste more efficiently. I added dandelion root tea in the evenings, which has been used for centuries as a liver tonic and is now backed by research showing it can reduce liver inflammation and improve fat metabolism. Hydration was another huge factor. Your liver needs water to filter toxins and carry them out of the body. Most of us walk around chronically underhydrated, and our livers are working in a handicapped state because of it. I committed to drinking at least 2 to 2.5 liters of water a day, and the difference in how I felt within just a few days was noticeable. Sleep was the one I didn't expect to matter as much as it did. Your liver does its deepest repair work between 1 and 3 in the morning. If you're not in deep sleep during that window, your liver isn't getting the recovery time it needs. I prioritized getting to bed earlier and protecting those night hours, and within a week, my morning energy levels had noticeably improved. I also added light movement, not intense training, just daily walks, stretching, and some light yoga. Movement helps stimulate lymphatic drainage, which supports the liver's ability to move waste out of the body. This wasn't about burning calories, it was about keeping the system flowing. By the end of 2 weeks, something had shifted. The bloating I'd lived with for years was gone. My energy was back in a way I hadn't felt in a long time. And when I stepped on the scale, I had lost 15 pounds. Now, some of that was water retention and inflammation leaving the body. But the results were real, they were visible, and more importantly, I felt completely different. Here's the thing, when you fix the root problem, the symptoms take care of themselves. I didn't lose weight by restricting or punishing my body. I lost weight by finally giving my liver the support it needed to do its job. When the liver functions properly, fat metabolism improves naturally. Hormones regulate themselves. Energy returns. The body stops holding on to weight as a protective response. If any of this resonates with you, if you've been stuck, frustrated, or just feeling off no matter what you try, I want you to consider that the answer might not be more discipline or a harder workout plan. It might be right inside you, waiting for the right support. That's what BioWell Hub is all about, understanding your biology so you can make choices that actually move the needle. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Subscribe if you haven't already, because every week we go deeper into the kind of content that could genuinely change your health from the inside out. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and take care of that liver.